In this tutorial, I will show you how to use a Canva letterhead in Microsoft Word. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, click Create a Design and type Letterhead in the search bar. Canva will show a variety of ready-made letterhead templates you can use. Browse through the templates and choose one that matches your style or branding. After selecting a template, customize it by editing the text, adding your company name, logo, contact details, and adjusting colors or fonts to match your brand. Once your letterhead design is ready, click Share in the top right corner and select Download. Choose PNG or PDF as the file format for the best quality, then download the file to your computer. Next, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Go to the Insert tab and click Pictures, then upload the letterhead file you downloaded from Canva. After inserting the letterhead image, click on the image and select Wrap Text, then choose Behind Text. This places the letterhead in the background so you can type your content on top of it. Adjust the size and position of the image so it fits the page properly. Once it is aligned, you can start typing your letter, invoice, or document over the letterhead. That is how you use a Canva letterhead in Microsoft Word.